Good morning, students. Let us continue with the lesson Natural Regions. In the previous period, we have seen the regions other than the 9 which we have already gone through, which were formed latitude wise. We have seen monsoon region, Mediterranean region, and West European type region, which was formed due to specific location and weather conditions. Let us see today's thought first. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. I am repeating, if you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. So, after that, next page, let us see the question answers are given. The world map is given, and below that, the questions are given. I have given the answers here. You have to write it down in your geography copy. No need to hurry. When the copies will be given back, at that time also you can write. So you have to observe this map, and according to the map you have to answer. Which natural regions are found in India? It is monsoon region. Second, which continent comprise a major portion of the hot desert type region? Africa. Third, which continent has the highest diversity in terms of natural region? It's Asia. From the color you can make out this whole part is Asia. So various color you can see. So it is having diversity, various type of climate, natural regions. Why are there fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? Answer is land is less, only two temperature zones are there. Fifth, which natural region occupies the largest area in the world? It is Taiga region. So Taiga region, you can see this portion, the here, this part of Asia here full this light blue color, and this part. So most of the part here it is Taiga region. Where else do we find conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica? Answer is Greenland. This part. It is like similar to Antarctica. Through which natural regions does prime meridian passes? So prime meridian passes through hot deserts, Mediterranean type of climate, taiga, and West European type region. So meridian, prime meridian area it is 0. So this part it is passing from these regions. So you can see. Next, on next page, the question answers are given. Here are the answers. Which natural region consists of short-lived vegetation? It is Tundra region, because extremely cold climate and most of the time of the year it is covered with ice. Second, in which natural region will you find the Kals, that is Rals? We have seen the huts, they are named as Rals. Sudan grassland region. Third, which region has winter rains? Recently we have seen it is Mediterranean region. Fourth, in which natural region are gorillas and chimpanzees found? Equatorial region. Fifth, in which natural region is the land surface in the forest devoid of vegetation? It is hot desert region. It's extremely hot, so we don't have vegetation there. Sixth, which region favor dairy farming? It is grassland, steppes and prairies, because plenty of grass is available for the cattle. Seventh, which region is favorable for fruit production? It is Mediterranean region. So again, when you get the books copies, After correction, you can write these questions also in the copy. Now page number 36. As one travels from equator to poles, the spectrum of biodiversity narrows down. This leads to issues of availability of natural resources. Now we know very well that equatorial belt, it is quite broader, and as we move towards the polar region, it is narrower due to the shape of our earth. This adversely affect the human occupation. So obviously natural resources are less, so human occupations are mostly dependent on it. That's why it is affected. In monsoon region, agriculture and allied activities form the main occupation of the people. In equatorial region, occupation like gathering of gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. are all based on forest produce. Lac is a thick material. I think you have heard about when gold bangles are made, when they are of 24 karat, that is pure gold. So many times it is because pure gold is very flexible, the shape changes. So if your parents mother is wearing that gold bangle, pure gold bangle, so it is filled with lac. It is a material like lead, it is hard. Many other things are made from it. Taiga is a softwood forest, therefore lumbering is the main occupation there. In tundra region, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. Extensive farming is undertaken in grassland nowadays. Significant differences are found in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. The use of resources is dependent on the region's progress in science and technology. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of that place also affects the life of people. Now, naturally, whatever is bestowed, it is also having its own culture and history, which is carry forward from generation to generation, and also the development nowadays, scientific development and technological development. So we finish the lesson here. Now we will just read out always remember and do you know. Not only human life but the entire living world on the earth depends on the availability of natural resource. Hence, while utilizing these resources, we must think of all living organisms. The concept the earth is one single family will become a reality only if we do that. Now do you know? About 25% of the desert on the earth are sandy desert. Many of the deserts are occupied by rock exposures or covered by stony wastes and pebbles. Some have high hills with narrow rocky pinnacles. Deserts like Ladakh in our country or Arizona in United States of America are of this type. Strong winds blow in the desert, lift and deposit sand to make sandy hills or sand dunes. Some dunes can be of height 200 meter. These hills do not remain stationary but keep moving slowly under the influence of winds. At times, villages get buried under them. So we finished our lesson here. Children, go through the lesson, read the textbook thoroughly. In next period, I will give you the question answers. Even if the books are not distributed till next period, you can wait for some time. Soon the books will be given and then you can continue the writing part. Thank you.